Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper, and this is my Morey Vertical Slotter. So you saw the little clip, got you interested. So we've got this little hub here to cut a 1/2 inch keyway in, and we're just going to get this set up and we're going to get cutting. So it's really hard to see, but this isn't going to work. My tool is actually going to wind up hitting the jaws of the chuck in there. So I'm going to have to turn the jaws around and set the part up on little spacers. Now this inside bore is 2 15/16 and it's 4.5 inches long. We got to cut a 1/2 inch keyway, and there's our ground tool bit in our tool. So I'm going to find a little spacer to put under there in the 3 points, and then right now I'm going to set my maximum depth of cut and then get this finalized on the setup. All right, so I got my stroke all adjusted where I want it. I've got my maximum depth set. I know it's on center because I have that all indicated in the other day off of this chuck. So everything is centered. Now it's just a matter of bring it in, touch it off, and then we go in 250 thou deep for the key. It's a 1/2 inch keyway, 1/4 inch deep, and that's a 1/4 inch from where you touch on the inside. So let's move the camera in and get cutting on this. So there's a nice internal keyway all cut on the Morey Vertical Slotter. They go by Vertical Slotter, Vertical Shaper, just great machines. I never knew they existed until I bought this one, and I got a really good deal on this one. These things bring some serious money. Just a very versatile, very good machine to have. So I'm going to try to do more videos on this thing. I really do enjoy running it. So until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.